So we got a Kohler bathtub, and the foot popper does not work right. Sometimes it doesn't pop, sometimes it does pop. So the good thing is that on these Kohler ones, the cartridge itself is replaceable. So you can keep the trim piece here on the top, and you just actually replace this cartridge. You can buy these cartridges on Amazon. Put the part down below. So it comes just like that. Your trim piece here just screws on the top. And then this screws into the tub itself. And working again. So there you go. You got the new one in there. It's all working good. Very easy, quick repair. If you need this, links down below. Thanks for watching.